Hey guys, it's Big Buck Hunter K9C4 here. I have a ct200 4-stroke, 1-cylinder mini bike here. Okay, if you see, let it focus here. I gotta find it in the camera. That one big hole right there. There's usually a pin right there. And that, with that in, the throttle only goes to about right there. But when you take it out, it goes all the way there. So from here to here. It used to go like 10 miles per hour with that thing then. Now it can go bust 30 to 40 miles per hour if you really get going with it. So if you guys would like another video on where to see the stuff is, just like it and sub it and tell me if you want to see another video. And right here is a spark plug. Well, there's my ct200 mini bike. See you guys later.